Good morning and best regards. Introducing, my name Pasca Martowa Sugian is the correspondent of the research title that will be published on Bulletin of Electrical Engineering and Informatics in accordance with exciting procedure and rules. The topic that I will make a part of this research are development of distant formulation for high-dimensional data visualization in multidimensional scaling. I will continue. The complexity often complicates analysis as high-dimensional data can obscure essential pattern and relationship, making it challenging to interpret and visualize effectively. The research aimed to develop a new method called Pasca MDS by modifying the traditional approach. It focused on reducing data dimensionality while retaining essential information, improving the distance calculation process. The Pasca MDS method involves two key components: a new distance formula, specifically designed for MDS and enhanced data pre-processing technique. This adjustment prepare the data for more effective analysis and better visualization in lower dimensional space. The new distance formulae optimize distance calculation between data point, enhancing visualization accuracy and interpretability. Pasca MDS provides clearer, simpler visualization without losing the data's original structure. By minimize stress in distance calculation, it maintains relevant information while achieving improved representation in a reduced dimension, facilitating more intuitive understanding of complex data. The problem in data visualization is when the data has high and complex dimension. They occurs when a data set has many attributes and features, making it difficult to display in a single visualization. The challenge in handling high-dimensional data is overlapping data points, which complicate interpreter and pattern identification. Moreover, the significant increase in data volume leads to an expanding data space or curve of dimensionality, making it difficult of find relevant structure of pattern as the distance between data point become uniform, incomplete, inconsistent, or erroneous. Data further increase the complexity, making it hard to understand the nature or structure of the data and hindering effective visualization. One technique developed to handle high-dimensional data is multidimensional scaling, or MDS. The technique aims to reduce the high dimensional of the data to lower dimensional, or dimensional reduction, allowing for easier visualization and clearer interpretation. Research result: Pasca MDS normalization In the result, a normalized dataset as required. The normalization process starts with the W-score method, followed by squeeness testing and determine the right type of normalization. Next, kurtosis testing and scaling process are performed. The result of the scaling process will be used as the dataset. A full description of this step can be found in equation 1 to equation 4. This result, we developed a new formula known of distant past. This formula is specifically designed to be used in the determination of distance in the Pasca MDS method. With this approach is expected to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of data analysis in the multidimensional context described in equation 5. The process with the MDS step by finding the eigenvalue, eigenvector, determining of the coordinate point, and testing the quality of visualization by calculating the stress value. Here is ensure that the provisions are close to 0, the more perfect the coordinate point. Work description in equation 6 and 7. Performance of Pasca MDS data normalization. The purpose of normalization after scaling is to produce a more normal distribution of data, where the data distribution tends to be symmetrical and centered around the main value. This more normal data distribution can improve the quality of data visualization. By facilitation more effective data interpretation and analysis, the establishment of normalization by setting the normalization process of W-score, squeeness, kurtosis, and scaling successfully produce a histogram with data distribution that leads to a normal distribution. Figure A shows the formation of the data distribution using the W-score, which result in distribution with a mean around 0 and standard deviation of 1, allowing a general understanding of the spread of data. Furthermore, the squareness analysis figure B reveals asymmetries in the distribution, indicating of potential skewing of the data in a particular direction. While the kurtosis analyzed in figure C highlights the thickness or height of the tail the distribution, which may indicate the presence of outlier or extreme variation. After going through the scaling process in figure D, the data distribution become close to a normal distribution with a more center and more even range of value. The last step is the initial dataset that will be used during di pasca MDS implementation. Distant past performance. To ensure the performance of distant pasca, comparison were made with various distant formula that have been developed, including Arc-Luzerne distant, Canberra distant, Dice distant, Divergency distant, Euclidean distant, Jaccard distant, Lorentzian distant, Manhattan distant, Sorensen distant, and Pasca MDS distant. This comparison aims to identify strengths and weaknesses of each formula in the context of multidimensional data visualization, especially in terms of the context of multidimensional data visualization, especially in terms of accuracy, reliability, and computational efficiency. It expected that the result of this analysis can strengthen the evidence that Pasca MDS distant D10 offers more significant advantage in the visualization of complex data, while being able to provide consistent and high quality results. Fig A provided an overview of the average comparison of various distant formulae after normalization with WZ score. The results show that the Pasca MDS distance is close to 0. Compared to the other distant formulae, this indicates that they has a lower level of distortion in data visualization, which support a more accurate quality of result. Similarity in Fig A, Fig B, C, D, the Pasca MDS distance consistent occupant opposition very close to 0, indicating stability and superior performa in various scenarios. This consistency provides a strong basis to conclude that the developed Pasca MDS formulae has significant advantage over some other distant formulae, both in terms of accuracy and reliability in maintaining data integrity in multidimensional visualizations. Evaluation of Pasca MDS stress value. This session evaluate the utilization of Pasca MDS by measure stress value to assess the quality of the resulting coordinate visualization. A stress value close to 0 is the main indicator that the visualization is more accurate and of high quality. In this evaluation, for data block of 200, 500, 1000, and 2000 data size were tested to access the consistency of Pasca MDS performa at various data scales. The test results show that Pasca MDS, especially on the pace metric, consistently produce the lowest stress value compared to other method, indicating that this method has optimal visualization perform on various dataset size. Pasca MDS as an extension of MDS offers an innovation approach by retaining relevant information from each data point. The evaluation results show the superiority of the Pasca MDS method with lower stress value with other distance formulas in terms of the 9 distance made for comparison in the study. The implication of the research is the need for the development or more efficient data visualization technique in handling the complexity of high-dimensional data, thus providing an important basic for future research and innovation of better data visualization technique with a focus on accuracy. That's what I can say to avoid for any shortcoming in the preparation in this work. Hopefully, this work will be useful for research and practitioner. For your attention and time, I say thank you.